And what's up guys, it's Dami and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing AirPods Pro 2s/3s from DHGate. At the bottom of the box you can see the serial number, and keep note of that as well. Once you take off the pull tabs and you open the box, you are greeted by the Design by Apple in California paperwork, where you see the instructions and manual on how to use and connect the AirPods. In the box you'll find the USB-C to USB-C braided cable, which is a plus because it is braided, and after that you will find the silicone ear tip that you can exchange with the ones that came with the AirPods for a better listening experience. Now looking at the case, at the bottom you can see the USB-C charging port with the speakers as well, so you can also use Find My to find the case as long as it's open, and the laminate inserts on the side of the AirPod case like the real ones would have. And when it comes to pairing the AirPod, you open the lid, it shows that it's not your AirPod, but that's fine. You connect, hold down the pairing button at the back of the case, and then the AirPods will definitely connect and give you the battery percentage of the AirPods and the case themselves. In the Bluetooth settings page of the AirPods, you can see every setting which you can customize, and at the bottom of these it shows that it has limited warranty, which is actually cool, and you can also check this as well on Apple's website with the serial number on the box or in the Bluetooth setting. And the sound quality on these are actually fire though. I'm actually impressed on what these AirPods offer, especially like seeing the battery percentage on the widget, and they don't even fall out of the case when I try to shake them out. So one thing that everyone asked, do the stem controls work? And yes, they do. So you can double tap or triple tap to go to the next song or previous song, and you can increase the volume or decrease it using the stem controls on the pods themselves. And when it comes to like ANC or transparency, let me tell you that these actually work flawlessly. Like I turned on noise cancellation and I couldn't hear anything. Transparency, it uses the microphones in the pods to actually hear your surroundings like the real ones would. But spatial audio doesn't work, sadly. You know, I'll give these AirPods a solid 8.5 out of 10. They're really good. The only thing that doesn't work is proper Find My. The case has to be open or the pods have to be out of the AirPods. Apart from that, links will be down below in the description. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.